Hi, first grade. It is Thursday, May 28th, and this is our math paper. It says elapsed time. Again, it is more on how much time has passed. And when we look on this page, we're going to look at our graph right here. We have Bible starting at 8 and finishing it at 8:30. 8 to 8:30, is that an hour or only 30 minutes? And if we look at our clock, 8 being here, we can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is only 30 minutes. Down here, you have two questions that are asked about this graph. Does Bible class begin before or after math class? Well, math class begins at 11 o'clock. And Bible class starts at 8 o'clock. So is that before or after? Our next question says, does reading class begin before or after Bible class? Bible reading starts at 10 o'clock and Bible starts at 8 o'clock. So is readings coming after or before Bible? Down here on 4 and 5, they want you to tell how much time has passed. And it's telling you how much time has passed above the second clock. So the first clock, you would write 3 o'clock. And then they want you to draw 1 hour later. They have my little out minute hand here. So an hour later would be 4 o'clock. And this one was a half an hour later. And remember, half an hour is 30 minutes. And you will do the same thing. You're drawing the hour hand. On the back, you have write the times in and then circle the time passed. So what time did spelling start at and what time did it finish at? Was that 30 minutes or an hour? What time did art start at? What time does it end? And how many minutes passed? 30 or an hour? Then you have two questions to answer about that. Which class lasts longer, spelling or art? And which class starts earlier, art or spelling? Number 4 says read the story and show the time on the clock. Then write the time. So you're going to draw the time and write the time. Lewis went to the dentist at 9 o'clock. Our hour hand is shorter than our minute hand. And 9 o'clock looks like this. Ava has swimming lesson at 4:30. So the minute hand goes to the 6. And the hour hand is between the 4 and the 5 for 4:30. And on the bottom you have some subtraction problems. The next page we have for the day is this one, and it's a 2-step. They want you to fill in the missing vowels for the days of the week. There is Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and then Saturday. That's one step that you need to do. Your second step is to write a sentence about each day. On the back of this page, you're going to write a sentences using the words. This is our second to last week in first grade, or I am almost done with first grade, teacher, school, and friends. You also have a video on gravity for this week. It says gravity pulls things towards the earth. What would your day be like if there was no gravity? Would our feet be on the ground? Would things fly up in the sky? They want you to draw a picture of how one part of your day would be different if there was no gravity. Then write a sentence to describe. A good way would be if you were to play ball. What if the ball didn't bounce and it just floated between you? What if instead of going up a slide, you went down the slide? And the last thing you want to do after this page is practice your spelling words one more time.